If you want the new users of Temu to open your referral link to make money, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Now first you go ahead and open the Temu app. Once it loads up, tap on you in the bottom right corner, this icon right here. From here tap on earn credits and free gifts. Choose one of the options. I'm gonna choose the last one, so tap on get now, and from here you can get the link that you want the others to open. So you can copy the code or the link. I prefer the link. From there I can go ahead and quit the app, go to your notes and write this message right here. So basically you'll have to write this little step-by-step guide for the new users to open your link, and once you're done tap on the tick in the top right corner, and from there you can go ahead and screenshot this picture and crop it, and from there you save it and post it on social media, and everybody on your socials, the new users, will open your link and you get money from that. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.